children, today we are going to start with chapter 7, that is working on calculator and notepad. So, son, what did you do with rupees 30? So, I gave in the morning, and how much do you have left now? Father, I bought 2 pencil, 5 each. 2 pencil hai, means 10 rupees ho gaye. And 1 chocolate of 15, that is 35. So, how? Tell me how much I spent. So, हम किसका यूज करते हैं? कैलकुलेटर का यूज करते हैं फॉर कैलकुलेशन. So, once come bring me a calculator, I will teach you how to calculate. तो what is father's day? आप कैलकुलेटर लेके आओ, मैं आपको टीच करूंगा. Now uses of calculator. Calculator क्या है? It's an electronic machine which is used for calculation. It provides a calculator. So with the help of calculator, all types of calculation have become much easier. So steps to start a calculator. To use a calculator on your computer, we need to open a calculator window. So first of all, what you will do, your first step is press and click on the start button and then click on all programs. फिर आपको all programs पे click करना है, right? Like this, and all the programs will be shown to you. Then step 2, click on the accessories. यहाँ पे accessories option है, आप उस पे click करेंगे. Here you can see this is accessories option. Then here comes down the calculator. आप इस पे double click करें and your calculator will be open and it will be appear on the screen. So this is your calculator. So now using this calculator, you can do different calculation. आप multiplication कर सकते हो, addition कर सकते हो, division कर सकते हो, equals to and subtraction. Now addition with calculator. अब add करना आपको 8 and 2. So you will click on the number 8 and click on addition button, right? And then click on number 2 और फिर आप click करोगे equals to. So answer will be 8. So like this you can see the answer will. Next is subtraction करना है, आपको 7 from 3 subtract करना है. So आप सबसे पहले 7 पे click करेंगे, then you will use subtraction sign, then you will go to 3 and then the answer will be 4. जैसे आप equals to पे जाएंगे, the answer will be shown over here. Next is working on notepad. ये भी एक another useful application है, that is notepad. It is a program which is used to type simple words, notes, sentence or paragraph. It is quick and easy tool to create any text file. So what are the different steps? आप सबसे पहले start button पे जाएंगे, then you will go to all programs. जैसे आप all programs पे जाएंगे, then click on accessories. आप जैसे accessories पे जाएंगे, the option of notepad will be there and you may double click. आप जैसे डबल क्लिक करेंगे then your notepad window will. तो ये तो क्या है? टाइटल बार है. This is टाइटल बार. This is control button. Close, maximize, minimize. And this is your. Next is step 4. You will enter the text with the help of keyboard. Cursor will show your position. जैसे यहाँ पे cursor आपको show होगा, आप लिख सकते हैं. जैसे story लिखा है. Once a rabbit and a tortoise were good friends. Now click on the file menu from where you want to. अब आपको save करना है, तो आप फाइल मेन्यू पे जाएंगे, सेव वाले ऑप्शन पे. अ बॉक्स विल अपीयर विच विल आस्क योर नेम ऑफ योर फाइल. आप जो भी नेम रखना चाहते हैं, आप सुटेबल नेम दीजिए और क्लिक करें एंड योर फाइल विल बी सेव्ड. एंड आफ्टरवर्ड्स इन द फ्यूचर इफ यू वांट टू ओपन इट, you can go to the file menu and you may write the name and your file will be shown there, right? So this is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.